All right, guys, so we've made it back from Alberta Diesel Day in Canada. Truck's been sitting for a little bit, but I'm sure you guys all see that we run a Fass Fuel System on all of our trucks. And yeah, it does help fuel this beast, but there's a little bit more behind what a Fass actually does. So we had Jackson come down here. He brought the Fass truck, and I want him to kind of give us a little rundown on specifically what Fass Fuel System actually stands for and what it does for your diesel truck. So let's go jump in the trailer and see what's going on. MTV Cribs.
Oh.
I say MTV Cribs.
MTV Cribs.
So I wanted to run kind of the viewers down with, yes, we run Fass on all of our trucks. It enables us to make power. It supplies all that fuel to the pump. But what does Fass actually stand for, and what is the main purpose of a fuel system? Like, how is it going to help, I guess, the consumer?
Yeah, no, that's a great question. So Fass gets its name as an acronym, stands for Fuel Air Separation System. And that's essentially our end goal, is to remove all the air, vapor, debris, particulate, and water from the fuel, so you get the highest quality diesel fuel that your injection system would like to see. So by doing that, our system, like I said, is going to remove the air and vapor, so that increases the lubricity of the diesel. Whenever you have air in that fuel, it allows more metal on metal contact to take place. So that's where you get your premature injection pump failure or your injector failure. Not only that, but it increases the performance. Diesels don't run off of just air in their fuel. So by removing that air, allows the fuel and the injectors to burn more efficient, more effective. So that's really the biggest purpose of the Fass system. Not only that, but like I said, prolonging the life of the injection component.
Sure. So it's really about protecting your investment as well, because
Exactly.
when you're getting better filtration, removing the air is quite the big one, because when you're rolling down the road, if this is your tank here and you're hitting all these bumps, you're creating tons of bubbles in there.
Exactly.
You're having cavitation.
Diesel fuel contains at least 10% air, whether that's sat all year, sat overnight. And other things taken into consideration is your elevation, the temperature of the fuel. The hotter the fuel is, the more vapor it's going to consist of. Your engine return being dumped back into that tank. So all of that's going to increase the amount of air that's in your fuel. That system's going to suck it up, remove it, do its job, and you're going to have air-free, vapor-free fuel to your injection components.
Mm-hmm. Which is saving you thousands of dollars in protecting your injectors, your injection pump, and just your entire fuel system, basically.
Exactly.
Getting cleaner fuel. Okay, so I mean, because obviously, yes, we can make heaps of power with a Fass because it's delivering us all the fuel that we need, but it's also protecting all those high dollar, expensive parts that are going into these trucks. So you don't have to be making a bunch of power to run a Fass. If you want to save money, you're going to go with Fass, basically. So, well, Jackson, thanks for coming out to the shop. Thanks for explaining what's going on with y'all's fuel systems, and looking forward to putting some more pumps on.
Heck yeah, sounds like
Good deal.
a plan.
So anyways, my pants were